You know what? My son found you by watching some of the videos of you doing previous jobs.
Yeah, good.
And so one of the things he said that I should do, because I always need notes, is he said, if you're so inclined, and if you want to take either pictures or videos, we would love to see it being worked on. I mean, just like
my client, everybody that brings a car in here gets a kick out of it. I saw myself on TV. I saw my car on TV.
yeah. So we would love that.
Okay.
So when my son was moving from Hanson, he was trying to get rid of stuff, and so one of the things he was going to try to sell is his motorcycle. Guy called up and he wanted to trade the T for his motorcycle, and Scott said sure. At which point then the guy had to call back afterwards and said, my wife won't let me have the motorcycle. Do you have anything else? And so he said, well, if you're a farmer, which he was, I've got this really fancy chicken coop.
Yeah.
We got the car for a chicken coop.
That's hilarious.
Yeah, so I love this story.
Yeah, that's hilarious.
So at any rate, my son knew that I loved old cars, and so when he saw this, he said, there. So on my 70th birthday, he said, Dad, I got you 2 presents for your birthday. I said, honey, you don't need to do that because he's a firefighter, so he doesn't have a ton of money.
Yep.
And so he said, do you want to see the expensive one or the inexpensive one? So I'm trying to help him to be humble. So he said, let me see the inexpensive one. So he said, come here. He rolled open the garage door, and there it was.
Wow.
And so we've taken this apart a couple of times. We have no idea what we're doing.
Okay.
Okay, so
How
absolutely.
far did you take it apart?
This whole thing
Just
was
the head?
off, and Scott had more off. I mean, we had the radiator. We brought it to a radiator place.
Okay.
And we've tentatively scraped off some rust and started painting that. And my contribution was the rear tail light thingy.
Yep. I
But,
saw that was new.
well, repainted anyways. But what we're looking for you, we're hoping that you'll be able to do, so the engine, we know nothing about engines, to make it so that it's working right.
Okay.
I have no idea. I need your expertise as to whether it needs to be rebuilt or whether you just do some funky things. The car, according to the original owner, family, it was in one family before it came to us.
Mm-hmm.
Grandfather had bought the car, drove it around until close to the 50s. The son of the original owner wanted nothing to do with it, put in a garage, and it just sat there, or barn, sorry. And then the grandson got it after the dad passed away. His dad passed away, and he left it in the barn. So it's been in the barn since the early 50s. So about as old as I am.
Wow. I was going to say the grandson probably be about your age.
Yeah. So
Wow.
this is our baby. We want to be able to. We'll work on aesthetics and stuff like
You're
that.
a long way away from driving.
Okay.
All right. I'll try and get it running, but I'm going to start with a compression test and see if it's
Okay.
even worth trying. If not, what's your budget?
Swimming in it. It's not a liquid.
So why don't we go with evaluation and then
Yeah.
reconvene?
Absolutely.
Right. And if you said, "Oh, I want it all brand new," I'll just start taking it apart. I won't waste your money on finding out
Yeah.
what the story is.
Yeah.
But if
Finding out what we're
Okay.
looking at is definitely helpful in terms of guiding us. It was a chicken coop, but we've been buying a lot of different parts. For example, the new wheels and tires and
Yep,
and
that ain't
things.
cheap.
That was over $2,000.
Yep.
And it was like, you spent $2,000 on 4 wheels, Scott. The engine, I have no idea, but he said camshaft, etc. Just we need to know what's it going, if you can do that. I have no idea what a hogshead is and components. Scott's been doing the research on this.
open the door, I'll show you. You see that thing that looks like a pig's head?
Like this?
Yep,
Yeah.
that's it.
Okay, and that's where gears and things are, right?
Yeah, inside here is
Yeah.
your bands and
Yeah. We put in a screen in here, I think.
Yeah, well, you tighten the bands up too.
I don't remember doing that.
No,
So
Not
I-
that one.
I
but
don't
the
think
other-
we.
You did these two.
Maybe Scott might have done that.
Somebody.
I know we replaced this piece here.
Okay. Well, you're on your way with that, but you need a spring
Yep.
to keep that from doing that because
Uh-huh.
that's what holds it forward.
Sure.
And did you replace the pawl?
I do not remember doing
The
that.
pawl. You know what a pawl is?
Nope.
That little thing going up and down at the
Yeah.
bottom of this
I
right
don't.
now.
I don't think we did. I think
It's
the
got
only
a
thing
tooth
we
in it?
replaced is this.
Yeah, it's got a tooth on it and it engages the teeth in this piece.
Yeah. I don't think that we replaced that.
Okay.
Okay.